Hi, I'm Mr. Sundell, and today we're going to learn how to multiply fractions. What I'm going to show you is multiplying just regular fractions. I'm going to show you how to reduce a fraction, and I'm going to show you how to multiply fractions when dealing with mixed numbers. Alright, let's get started with the first example. With a fraction, we have the numerator on top and the denominator on the bottom. When you multiply fractions, it's quite like multiplying regular integers. You multiply the numerator with the other numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So all you do is multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 4 is 8. The answer here is 3/8. Let's look at this second problem here. Again, following the same rules as above, 2 times 9 is 18, and 3 times 10 is 30. Now I have a suspicion that that can be reduced. I know that 18 is made up of 3 and 6. 30 is made up of 3 and 10. Alright? 6 is also made up of 2 and 3. 10 is made up of 2 and 5. This 3 will reduce that 3. This 2 will reduce that 2. The only thing I'm left with is 3 and 5. The answer here is 3/5. Now let me show you an easier way to reduce this from the beginning. I like doing it from the beginning because you don't get such big numbers at the end. And when we don't have a calculator, trying to figure out how to reduce sometimes can be a little confusing. That's why I like to break it down using the factored tree, and I can figure out which ones reduce it right away. But I notice here, the 2 and the 10 and the 3 and the 9, they all have numbers in common. 10 is made out of 2 and 5. The 9 is 3 and 3. So don't you think I can just reduce right from the beginning? The 2's gone, the 3's gone. That 9 broke away when I broke it up, and so did the 10. That 3 and that 2 are gone. I'm just left with 3/5. And that's the answer. There's almost no math going on whatsoever except for reducing the problem in the beginning. Let's look at this one down here. I can multiply 1/5 times 2 and then multiply 1/5 times 1/4. To me, that seems like a lot of work. What I'm going to do is convert 2 and 1/4 into an improper fraction. 2 times 4 gives me 8, and add 1, I have 9/4. If you need help on how to convert a mixed number, please check out one of my other videos. Again, follow the same routine here. 1 times 9 is 9. 5 times 4 is 20. Nothing can be reduced. I would have known that if I saw anything that could be reduced in the beginning. 9/4. Now all this is well and good, but let me give you a little bit of a foundation on why this works. So I have a square here. I'm going to show you how we can use this to represent this first problem here. 1/4 times 3/4. 1/4 is this top portion here. 1/half rather. And 3/4 would be, well, this is 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. When I'm multiplying, I want to see where they intersect. Right there. That gives me 3 of these small boxes. How many boxes are there total? Would you believe it? It's 8. Alright, thank you for viewing my video on multiplying fractions. What you learned was multiplying simple fractions, reducing first and reducing at the end when multiplying fractions, and then multiplying fractions when dealing with mixed numbers. Again, thank you for viewing my video. I hope to see you again.